07836353985. We're doing a power flush today in Chadderton. The system's a combination boiler. We're actually in the summertime now, so it's quite a good idea to get the system power flushed before people start getting cold in the winter and start rushing around trying to get the system power flushed. Okay, the customers had a new boiler fitted recently. The engineer didn't power flush the system. The water is absolutely filthy and the customer's complaining of some cold radiators. We'll just show you the water now. We've got it on dump mode. Oh yeah, you see that? That black sludge and rust coming out of the system, and that's what power flushing is all about. It's about removing all that sludge and rust out of your system, just so the system will heat up a lot better. The customer will be able to turn the boiler down. You get more heat out of the system, the boiler should be quieter, and it's just all good really. It's just all a win-win situation. So if you don't know what a power flush is, we'll quickly explain. Just means of flushing through all your central heating system, your radiators, your boiler, your pipe work, etc. Getting it all nice and clean. After the power flush, we add Sentinel X100 inhibitor just to prevent further corrosion. We actually use Camco FX2 chemical for the power flush. That's a really good chemical. Just get it all nice and clean. Price wise, we're up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies such as British Gas, HomeServe, Corgi, etc. The job's done 100% properly to BS standard. You'll get a certificate of the power flush after we've actually power flushed it, so you can present that to your utility companies such as British Gas, etc. It's all okay with them. You know, a lot of our customers are in fact British Gas customers. We're fully gas safe registered. We fit boilers as well. So if you're requiring a boiler fitted, a new combi boiler fitted, just give us a call. We'll give you a good price. We'll always power flush your system. You know, it's just we will not fit a boiler without actually power flushing your system. Puts an extra day on the job usually, but it's you know, it's just you do need a power flush if you're having a new boiler fitted. The boilers we tend to like to fit are the Baxi range boilers. We also fit Valent and Worcesters. The actual Baxis now come with a 7-year warranty, as long as the system's been power flushed properly, as long as it's serviced once a year. So you know, it all makes sense really. I mean, you could actually get a Baxi boiler fitted by ourselves. We'd fully power flush it. Obviously we'll service it once a year, and you know, you could actually forget your utility company contract then. You wouldn't need it really, not for your boiler anyway, because the Baxi boilers come with a heat team warranty. Basically if the boiler breaks down, you ring them, as long as you ring them before 3 o'clock, they'd be there the next day to you know, to sort your boiler out basically. That's part of the 7-year warranty. Okay, so it all makes sense. It just all makes sense. Okay, the areas we cover, we'd cover the whole of the northwest UK area. We go up to Blackpool, Cleveland, we go down to Stafford as well. So just give us a call wherever you are in the northwest UK. I'm sure we can come and sort you out and get your central heating system up and running nice and clean again, or you know, possibly fit a boiler for you if you require a boiler fitted. Okay, right, we've got a lot to do. We're just going to get on with the job and we'll get back to you later. Thanks. Okay, just back to this job in Chadderton. We're going to add some chemical now, some Camco FX2, really good chemical. Let that get into the system, get all the pipes and the boiler, radiators, etc. nice and clean. We've actually hooked into the main flow and return as well. We've actually disconnected the pipes going to the boiler and got in the proper way. We've not done it the cheap nasty way, you know, but just by pulling a radiator off. We tend not to do that unless we really have to, unless the pipes are sort of buried or concealed or in an awkward place. That's the only time we'll do that. We always try and think about getting the best flow in the system, and that really is getting into the flow and return, or taking the pump housing off the boiler, etc. Just to do it properly. Okay, job's going alright. We'll just get back to you later. Thanks. Right, yeah, it's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, just back to this job in Chadderton near Oldham. Okay, the power flushing is still going okay. We're going to take a look at the magnet shortly. We've got that hooked up just to pull all the rust and the sludge out of the system. So we'll show you that shortly. Okay. Barriers, Pro-powerflushing. Okay, just back to this job. We've just put the band bottom bypass. We're going to take a look at it. Wow, look at that. Some really big pieces of metal in here as well. And that's what power flushing is all about. It's about getting all that metal, rust, sludge, iron oxide, etc. out of your central heating system. You imagine that running through your boiler, your diverter valve, your plate heat exchanger, etc. Eventually it's just going to wreck it. And that's what we're here to do, to get all that out of your system, just so your boiler gets an easier time, etc. You know, power flushing is the best thing you can have done to your central heating system, bar none. It's the best thing you can have done. If you just look at that, you know, to get all that out your system, it's just going to run a lot better, and that's what it's all about. Okay, so we're just going to get on with the job and get back to you later. Hi Barry, as Pro Power Flushing. Okay, that's his power flush done now. We've just got the film camera on it now. As you can see, we're well into triple figures, 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the top, a little bit cool at the bottom, but not much more. So the job's a complete success. So if you need any power flushing done in the northwest UK area, just give me a call. Telephone number 07836 353 985. Okay, thanks.